Here's how to tell if you're making money with Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and look at your portfolio chart. This shows how the overall value of your portfolio has changed over different periods, such as 1 week, 1 month, or 3 months. Keep in mind that deposits and withdrawals can affect your portfolio value, so checking individual investments can give you a clearer picture. Scroll down to the Stocks and ETFs section. Here, you'll see the investments you currently own. Tap the display option next to this section to change what information appears beside each investment. Select Total Percentage Change to see the percentage you've gained or lost on each stock or ETF. A positive percentage means the investment is currently up, while a negative percentage means it's down compared with your cost. You can also change the display to Total Return. This shows your gain or loss as a dollar amount. For example, if you invested $100 and the position is now worth $110, you've gained $10, which equals a 10% return. For more details, tap any stock or ETF you own and scroll down to the Your Position section. Here, you can review today's return, total return, average cost or cost basis, and the number of shares you own. Use the total return figures to quickly determine which investments are making or losing money. That's all for this video. Thanks.